7 tips for more engaging YouTube videos. Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Are you struggling to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share 7 tips that will help you create more engaging YouTube videos. So, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Hook your audience. First things first, you need to hook your audience within the first few seconds of your video. Start with a strong opening that grabs their attention and makes them want to stick around. You can do this by asking a question, sharing a surprising fact, or giving a sneak peek of what's to come. Tip 2. Tell a story. People love stories, so try to incorporate storytelling into your videos. Share personal experiences, anecdotes, or case studies that relate to your topic. This will make your content more relatable and memorable for your viewers. Tip 3. Keep it visually interesting. To keep your audience engaged, make sure your video is visually appealing. Use high-quality footage, interesting camera angles, and dynamic editing techniques. Don't be afraid to mix things up with graphics, animations, or even some special effects. Tip 4. Be conversational and authentic. Your viewers want to connect with you, so be conversational and authentic in your delivery. Speak directly to your audience, as if you're having a one-on-one conversation with them. This will make your content more engaging and help build a stronger connection with your viewers. Tip 5. Use audience retention data. YouTube provides valuable audience retention data that can help you understand when viewers are dropping off. Analyze this data to identify areas where you can improve your content and keep your audience engaged for longer. Tip 6. Encourage interaction. Encourage your viewers to interact with your content by asking questions, requesting feedback, or inviting them to share their thoughts in the comments section. This not only boosts engagement but also helps build a sense of community around your channel. Tip 7. End with a strong call to action. Finally, always end your videos with a strong call to action. This could be asking viewers to like, share, or subscribe to your channel, or directing them to related content. A clear call to action will encourage further engagement and help grow your channel. And there you have it. Those were our 7 tips for creating more engaging YouTube videos. Remember, the key is to hook your audience, tell a story, keep things visually interesting, be conversational, use audience retention data, encourage interaction, and end with a strong call to action. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating content that keeps your viewers coming back for more. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite tip or any other suggestions you have for creating engaging videos. Until next time, happy YouTubing!